In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate product demonstrations in Canva. If you want a quick and simple way to create polished product demo visuals without starting from scratch, Canva templates are a great place to begin. They give you a ready-made structure, so instead of worrying about design from the ground up, you can focus on customizing the animation and presentation to fit your product. To get started, head over to Canva in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main Canva homepage so you can access the full range of design options and resources. This is your starting point for finding templates that are already designed for product-focused presentations and animated visuals. From there, click on Templates. This section is especially useful because Canva organizes a huge library of design formats by purpose, style, and industry. Using templates can save a lot of time, especially if you want your product demonstration to look clean, modern, and professional right away. Once you're inside the templates area, use the search bar and type in product demo. This will narrow the results and help you find layouts specifically designed for showcasing a product, explaining features, or walking viewers through a visual presentation. Take a moment here to browse the options. Different templates may have different moods, transitions, and scene layouts, so it helps to choose that matches the type of product you want to present. Next, select a template that fits your needs. As you're choosing, think about the overall style, the pacing of the scenes, and whether the layout gives you enough room to display your product clearly. A good template should make your product the focus rather than distracting from it. Even if it isn't perfect right away, remember that templates are meant to be edited, so you're really choosing a strong starting point. After you've chosen the one you want, click on Customize this template. This will open the design in Canva's editor, where you can begin adjusting the content, visuals, and animation settings to match your product demo. This is the point where the template becomes your working canvas. A helpful tip before you dive in is to keep your product demonstration clear and visually consistent. Choose a template that supports your message and makes it easy for viewers to follow what you're showing. The simpler and more focused the structure, the more effective your final animation will be. And that's how to get started animating product demonstrations in Canva by finding and opening the right template for customization.